Does Discovery Plus still exist? Yes, Discovery Plus continues to operate as a standalone streaming service, offering a vast library of content from various Discovery-owned networks. 1. Continued operation. Despite the launch of Warner Bros. Discovery's combined streaming platform, Max, Discovery Plus remains active and continues to provide its subscribers with a wide range of content. 2. Recent developments. In January 2025, Discovery Plus announced a price increase for its subscription plans. The ad-supported plan increased from $4.99 to $5.99 per month, and the ad-free plan rose from $8.99 to $9.99 per month. This change took effect immediately for new subscribers, while existing subscribers experienced the new pricing after February 7, 2025. Discovery Plus continues to offer a diverse range of shows and documentaries, from channels such as HGTV, TLC, The Discovery Channel, Investigation Discovery, and Magnolia Network. 4. Availability. The service is accessible in multiple regions, including the United States, Canada, and parts of Europe. However, in some countries, Discovery Plus has been integrated into the Max platform, leading to its discontinuation as a separate service in those areas. 5th, subscriber base. As of April 2022, Discovery Plus had approximately 24 million subscribers. While more recent subscriber numbers are not specified, the service continues to maintain a significant user base. 6. Future prospects. Warner Bros. Discovery has indicated plans to keep Discovery Plus operational alongside its Max platform, recognizing its profitability and the satisfaction of its subscriber base. In summary, Discovery Plus remains an active streaming service, continuing to provide its subscribers with a wide array of content and maintaining its presence in the streaming market.